Okay.
The next one is your race kit. So gear. This question comes up a lot. People ask me what gear do you wear and why. The biggest question I get asked is by women wondering which chest protector I wear. So that one I'm going to share with you guys because I actually really like it. It's kind of hard to find a chest protector that's comfortable, and I finally found it. So this one is like a soft fitted thing. It zips up on the side and it has padding on the front and the back, and the padding is soft, so it molds to the shape of your body, and then on impact it hardens. So it's
3D,
yeah,
I think it's
3DF, and it's made by Leat, and it's called the Leat 3DF Airfit, and then I wear the light one. So it comes in like a light version or a heavier version, and so that's just depending on how much protection you want. And it also comes in either the vest style, a t-shirt version, or a full length arm version. I wear the vest style because I don't like stuff on my arms, but if you're looking for more protection, you can get the one with the short sleeve with the shoulder protection, or even a whole arm protection, elbows and forearms and everything. And then
so cool. I wear this one.
You wear the same one?
Airfit. It is like wearing, I don't know, you say you put your slippers on, it's so comfortable. It is just cuddles you. I wear the full, like the max one of the elbows, the shoulder, everything.
Yep.
And it's so comfortable. I love it. Absolutely love it. Really easy to wash when you get sweaty in it. And it just cuddles you. Yeah, I wear the same one.
Yeah, that's a good thing. The easy to wash thing is a benefit, because there's nothing worse than having a big smelly chest protector that can't go in the wash. What else is there for bike protection? What do you wear?
I guess one thing for me, when I first got bike protection, I remember Laura at Super MX said to me, she was like, right, I understand that right now you're a beginner, but my advice to you is to buy the best protection that you feel like you can afford right now. Because if it's something that you that you enjoy and you carry on with, you will in 6 months, 9 months, a year start to push your riding and be at a point where you probably need that next level of protection. So instead of buying, you know, the budget basic knee pad now, get the one that will actually be good enough for you to continue your journey with. Because if you buy the slightly better knee guard now, you won't then have to upgrade in 6 months or 9 months. So get the best that you can afford right now. And obviously a lot of it comes down to budget, what you can afford. But I was so pleased with that, because I then bought that Leat Airfit and I've never had to change my armour. It's grown with me, and I can now do hard enduro in the same armour that kept me safe when I was a beginner.
Yep.
So I guess a quick list of what I wear. There's actually a picture on my Instagram of me in my bionic body armor. I've recently upgraded to full knee braces because I just don't want to do my knee in. For the sake of the money, I've now gone full braces, and I don't know why I didn't do it sooner. Actually, they're so comfortable. I still
need to do that.
They're superb. I've got the Leat ones as well. Okay. I'm actually a bit of a Leat buddy, I think. Yeah, because I've got Leat body armor, Leat bum pads. Oh my goodness, they're new to my world. I'm not going to have as bruised a bum now. And then the obvious of boots, gloves, helmet. My kind of theory is that if I was to fall off and have an accident, and then have my family or my husband or even myself go, damn, why wasn't I wearing, or why wasn't she wearing the right protection? If I can wear the protection so that question will never happen, then you know that's all I can do. Because you only get one, and I'm going to try and look after it.
Yep, makes sense. Yeah, I still need to get on the knee brace bandwagon, because I'm currently wearing knee pads just because knee braces are expensive. But I really don't want to do my knee in. I don't want to twist it or do something bad to it, because a knee injury can be really horrible. So I'm kind of in the market for it. I haven't decided on the brand I want, but that'll be
Mm.
my next thing is proper knee braces. But other than that, I've got, of course, boots, helmet, gloves, um, just knee pads, and the chest protector. Um, yeah, sometimes a neck brace. I got a neck brace because I wanted to protect my neck. I've had some pretty nasty head injuries, and my neck's been paying the price as well. And I find that the neck brace is really hard to wear in hard enduro terrain because of the steep changes. You know, like hills and stuff, you can't necessarily look up when you're trying to pick your line on a hill, or even look
Yeah.
down far enough when for really steep down. So I'm struggling with that right now, and that's why you don't see me wearing it as often. But I'm working it out right now, trying to figure out what I'm gonna do. But
Mm.
yeah,
Yeah, just watching some of the comments, we've had quite a few people saying, "Do it with the knee braces. I've done my knees. Don't wait."
yeah, I need to get used to it. I also have an issue with the feel on the bike. When I have too much bulk around my knees, I feel awkward, but I just need to power through that and get used to them.
Get used to it and adapt. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.